Hey guys, it's Joe from Jordanbikes. Today we've got for sale this little beast. It is a Suzuki V-Strom 1000. 2014 on a 64 plate and it's done 10,289 miles. Real cracking bike is this. Good saving over having a German adventure bike. Suzuki, so very, very reliable, loads of power. So 10,289 miles. It's got adjustable traction control, it's got ABS, it's got the engine protection, what you can see there, spotlights, handguards, 3-piece luggage, the top box is Givi as well. Mega cool bike, really reliable, plenty of grunt. You see digital dash there, you've got adjustable traction, ABS. Give it a quick fire up for you. So, get yourself down at Jordanbikes or just simply give us a call. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.